Hello, this is Eric with ReLISTO Leasing and Property Management. Welcome to 3888 Noriega. Come on in. This is a massive 3-bedroom, 2-bath condominium, just blocks away from the beach. Let's when talking about size, if you like large condos with garage parking, in-unit laundry, and lots of light, look no further. So let me switch views here so you're appreciating the unit. So looking at me. So as you can see, the tenant, now mind you, the tenants just moved out. So the owner is going to be cleaning. And so if you see any dust, that will be corrected. Okay, scan here. As you can see, super large floor plan. Lots of light coming in. These are double pane windows, and they're case windows. So unlike lots of windows in San Francisco that slide up and down, these actually open out. And you can see the fireplace, real tall ceilings, recessed lighting. You might see a couple light bulbs out, but again, this is all going to be corrected and delivered in pristine condition. Here we have the kitchen. Nice deep sink, garbage disposal, gas range, refrigerator, and here you have laundry. The owner is, those are brand new windows, so the screens are about to go in. So you'll have screens. Now, how many places in San Francisco actually have screens? So that's amazing that you will have that as well. Okay, this is the perfect for an office or bedroom. We have the closet right there with hanging rods. And then, again, there's lots of closet space on this unit. Coat closet. This is where we came in. And then you have a linen closet, which is wonderful. And then let's first go into the second. This is this is the second bathroom. So this was the common bathroom for the 2 bedrooms. As you can see, very light colored, light filled because of the lighter colors, which makes it just nice, warm, and inviting. Now look at this room. This is just amazing. All these windows. So this is bedroom number 2. And big closet, that right there. Now, I'm going to come into the window. I usually don't go to the window, but it's such a great view here. So you can see, I don't know if you can see, but I see the waves from here. There's restaurants. There's a yummy bakery right down just a couple of doors down, and there's a bunch of other stores and places to eat. So just a wonderful little location. And again, super light filled with double pane windows. And there's cars going by, but you can't hear them. It's amazing. It's amazing. So we already looked at the bathroom, looked at the linen closet, and now we're in the master or primary bedroom. We like to call them primary bedrooms now. And it's called a primary bedroom because it not only has the sleeping space, but it also has its own ensuite bathroom. So in this one, this is a pretty cool bathtub right here. So it's a shower, but you could probably fit 2 or 3 people in here. And it's so big. Very, very large little floor plan in the bathroom. And of course you have the toilet. Maybe 4 people. And a primary bedroom would not be complete without a huge walk-in closet. So plenty of space for storage and providing all your own gear. It should be noted that there is a roof deck here, which is commanding. I'm going to switch around. There's not too many units in this general area of the city that are as high as this building. So when you get to the roof deck, we'll take some shots up there. But you have an absolute commanding view, not only Marin, but the ocean, and it's just lovely up there. There is garage parking, so you have your own parking garage stall with an automatic door. And yeah, if you're interested, see the links below. Like our page, we usually get the videos up a little earlier than they get up on the listings. And again, give us a call because this is available now, and we're anxious to get you into the property and show it to you and answer any of your questions and have you live in it if you like it. So thank you very much for watching. All right, bye-bye.